Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we are going to see how you can fix WhatsApp status not showing on your phone. So for that, the first thing that you should be doing is clearing WhatsApp caches. For that, long press on WhatsApp, go to eye icon. You'll see a storage and caches option, click on it. Under this, click on clear caches. The another thing that you can do is either you can uninstall WhatsApp from your phone or you can clear WhatsApp storage. But before that, you need to confirm that every chat on your WhatsApp is backed up. For that, open WhatsApp, click on three dot option, click on settings, go to chats, click on chat backup. Here, click on backup. Once the backup gets done, close it. And if you don't want to clear storage, then you could also uninstall WhatsApp. But before that, you should remember that you have to back up your data. So to uninstall your app, long press on WhatsApp, and you know how to uninstall any app. And then wait for a minute, or you could also reboot your phone after that. So you need to click on restart button here. Once your phone gets live, go to Play Store, search WhatsApp. Here you can uninstall app. Before that, you should be checking that your app is up to date or not. For that, once again, you have to go to Google Play Store, click on here, search WhatsApp. Here you will see if your app is updated or not. If it is not, click on update, and after 2 to 3 seconds, once WhatsApp gets updated, open the app and check if the problem still persists. There are chances that you will not face the problem. So this was the method. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.